Students, last week we have discussed about that Indian system, international system, successor and predecessor. Today we are going to see that exercise 1.1 that is related to the number system, Indian number system, international number system. Okay, so first one is fill in the blanks. First sum is the fill in the blanks. Okay, so first question, the smallest 7-digit number is dash. The smallest 7-digit number is dash. So it is nothing but, what is this? 10 lakh. So the smallest 7-digit number 100000000. Okay. So the second one is the largest 8-digit number. The largest 8-digit number is dash. The largest 8-digit number is dash. It's nothing but 9. There are 8 nines. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 nines are there. Okay. So the next third one is the place value of 5 in 7005380 is dash. We have to find out the place value of this 5. What is this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 5 is in the 1000 place is nothing but 5000. Okay, 5 into 1000 is 5000. Next, the fourth question, the expanded form that we have already in the previous classes. Lower classes we have learned the expanded form. So the expanded form of the number 76,70,905 is dash. The expanded form of the number 7670905 is nothing but 76,70,905. How will you write this? So let me write down 7 into 10 lakh, okay, plus 6 into 1 lakh, okay, plus 7 into 10,000, okay, here is 0, so no need to write that 1000, okay. So next 9 is in the hundreds place, so 9 into 100, again 1 0, then 5 into 1. So this is the expansion of this number 7670905. So 7 into 10 lakh, 6 into 1 lakh, 7 into 10,000 plus 0 plus 9 into 100 plus 0 plus 5 into 1. Okay. So let me see the next sum. Next one is true or false. Next one is true or false. Okay. So the first question, in the Indian system of numeration, the number 679999037 is written as 6,79,99,037. In the Indian system of numeration, the number 679999037 is written as 6,79,99,037. Is it true or false? This is true, because from right to left you have to take first 3, then comma, keep the commas 2 digits. Okay, so this is the Indian system. No, so this one is true. So second one is successor of a 1-digit number is always a 1-digit number. Is it true or false, ma? Successor of a 1-digit number is always a 1-digit number. No, it's definitely not. Because if I take 9, it is a 1-digit number. If I take this, the successor is 10, no. So it is false. Okay. So the third one is predecessor of a 3-digit number. Predecessor of a 3-digit number is always a 3 or 4-digit number. Is always a 3 or 4-digit number. This one also false. Definitely. Now, predecessor of a 3-digit number is always a 3 or 4-digit means no, it's not like that. Okay, so that one is false. Then fourth one, 88,888. 88,888 is the expansion of 8 into 10,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Is it true? No, because there is no 1000 place value. In 10,000 after that 100 comes here. No, so it is a false one. Okay, so that one is false. Okay, so next we will see the next. So the next one is complete the given order. Complete the given order. Complete the given order. So 10 crore, comma, crore, comma, 10 lakh, comma, dash, 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 dash. Okay, so we have to fill this. So this is in, now it is in Indian system. Crore, lakhs is in Indian system. So what after the 10 lakh? It is 10, it is lakh, isn't it? After 10 lakh is lakh, then 10,000, 10,000, then 1,000, then 100, then 10, then 1. So lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10, 1. Okay, so this is in Indian system. Okay, next, how many 10,000s, how many 10,000s are there in the smallest 6-digit number? Smallest 6-digit number. How many 10,000s in the smallest 6-digit number? Now write the smallest 6-digit number. What is smallest 6-digit number? Smallest 6-digit number is, what is that? This is the smallest 6-digit number. 100 is nothing but 1 lakh. No. So 1 lakh. In 1 lakh, how many thousands are there? 10 10,000. 10 10,000s. Okay. 10 10,000s. This is the answer. 1 lakh is a smallest 6-digit number is nothing but 1 lakh. So 1 lakh, in 1 lakh there are 10 10,000s. Okay. So this is your answer. Next, fifth question. Using the digits 5, 2, 0, 7, 3 from the largest, form the largest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. So largest 5-digit number and smallest 5-digit number using the digits 5, 2, 0, 7, 3. Okay. So let me find out the answer. Largest number. Largest 5-digit number. For that I will write this number 5, 2, 0, 7, 3. So largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number. Here 7 is the largest number. So 7. Next one is 5. Next one is 3. Next one is 2. The last one is 0. So 7, 5, 3, 20. This is the largest 5-digit number. Then smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. Don't take this 0 as a first number. Okay. Don't take this 0. Before that you take 2, 0, 3, 5, 7. 2, 0, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Because before 0 means there is no value. Okay. Don't take like this. So you take it 0, 2, 0, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So the next one is observe the commas. Observe the commas and write down the place value of 7. Observe the commas and write down the place value of 7. Okay. So first one is 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. We have to find out this place value of 7. Okay. Now tell me, now it is in a Indian system, isn't it? It is in Indian system. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 7 is in the position of 10 lakh. So place value of 7 is 7 into 10 lakh. It is in the place value of 10 lakh. So it is nothing but 70 lakhs. It's nothing but 70 lakhs. Okay. This is the place value of 7. So the next one is second subdivision 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. We have to find out this 7 place value. Now it is in the international system. So place value of 7 is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, isn't it? So it is in the million position. So 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 is nothing but 7 million. It's nothing but 7 million. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. The next one is 7th question. Write the following numbers in the international system. International system by using commas. International system by using commas. Okay. So here there are 4 subdivision. I'm going to write the 2 subdivision. Next 2 subdivision is your homework. Okay. So I'll do the first one. 3, 4, 7, 0, 5, 6. Remember that in international system there is 3 commas. No. So the answer is you write start with rights. Right. Okay. 0, 7, 4, 3. So 3, 4, 7, 0, 5, 6. Okay. This is your answer. Okay. Now I'll do the third subdivision. 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, 5. So the answer is from right 5, 0, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6. So 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 0, 5. Okay. So this is the international system by using the commas. So next 2 sums as your homework. Okay. Got it? Yeah. I'll do that. 8th sum. 8th sum is write the largest 6-digit number. Write the largest 6-digit number and put commas in the Indian system. In the Indian and international system. In the Indian and international system. Okay. So we have to do this sum in both the system, Indian and international system. Write the largest 6-digit number and put the commas in the Indian and the international system. It is not a largest, it is write the least, sorry, it is the write the least 6-digit number. What is least 6-digit number? Least 6-digit number. What is the least 6-digit number? Is what is that? 1 0 0 0 0 0. Yeah, this is the least 6-digit number. So first you have to write it in Indian system. So in Indian system, first 3 commas, then 2 commas. So 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 comma 1. So 0 0 0 comma 0 0 comma 1. So it's nothing but 1 lakh, isn't it? Yeah. So it is, next one is international system. Write on that in international system. So the answer is 100, comma 000. 100, comma 000. Okay. So next one is write the number name. Write the number names of the following numerals in the Indian system. Write the number name. Write the number name in the Indian system. Okay. So here are two subdivisions. I will do it only one subdivision. You do the next subdivision. Okay. So I will do the first one. 75, comma 32, comma 105. 75, comma 32, comma 105. So now it is in Indian system. Okay. Better you draw the table like this. Then you can easily find out. So here ones, then tens, 100, 1000. Next one is 10,000, lakh, then 10 lakh. Okay, because ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 5 0 1 2 3 5 7. Okay, then we can easily find out the number name. What is that number name? It is 75 lakh, 75 lakhs, 75 lakhs, 63,000, 400 and 53. 453. Sorry, 475 lakhs 63. So sorry, I written as wrongly. 75 lakhs 32,105. 75 lakh 32,105. So this is the number name of this. Okay. Yeah, I'll do the next sum also. 9, 75, 63, 453. Okay. So draw the table first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100, then a lakh, then 10 lakh, then crore. Okay. So write down the numbers 3, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So what is that? 9 crores. 9 crores. 75 lakhs. 75 lakhs. 63,000. 453. 453. So 9 crores, 75 lakhs, 63,453. Okay. Next, 10th question. Number name in international system. Number names in the international system. international system. Okay, so there are 3 subdivision. I'll do the 2 subdivisions here. First one is 3, 4, 5, comma 6, 7, 8. Okay, draw the table. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, so ones, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000. Okay, so 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Then how will you write this? 300, 345,000, 345,000, 678, 678. So 345,678. Okay, so next one is second subdivision, third subdivision. Second sum is your homework. Okay, so I'll do the third sum. 103, comma 456, comma 789. 103, comma 456, comma 789. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So you draw the table like that. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 0, 1. Then how will you write this? 103 million, 103 million, 103 million, 456,000, 789, 789. So 103 million 456,789. Okay, so next sum we will see now. Next sum, write in numerals. 11th sum, write in numerals. Okay, so the first one is 2 crore 30 lakh 2 crore 30 lakh 51,000 980. 2 crore 30 lakh 51,980. What is the answer? So it is in the Indian format. Okay, so 2 crore 30 lakh 51,980. 2 crore 30 lakh 51,980. Here also 3 subdivision. Okay, second sum is your homework. I will do the third sum now. 789 million 456. 789,213,456. So million means it is in that international format. So 789,213,456. So this is the answer. 789, 213, 456. Okay. Yeah. The next one is the 12th sum. Tamil Nadu has about 26,000. Tamil Nadu has about 345 square kilometer, 45 square kilometer of forest land. Write the number mentioned in the Indian system. Write in Indian system. I short out that question ma. Okay. Tamil Nadu has about 26,345 square kilometer of forest land. Write the number mentioned in the statement in the Indian system. So the answer is, it is now in the Indian system, no? So what is 26,345 square kilometer? Okay, see 26,345 square kilometer. The next one, 13th one, the number of employees in Indian Railways. The number of employees in the Indian Railways is about 10 lakh. It's about 10 lakh. Write this in the international system. Write this in international system. Okay, write this in the international system. Indian Railways, the number of employees in Indian Railways is about 10 lakh. Write this in the international system. Okay, what is the 10 lakh? It is 10 lakh is in Indian system, no? But they ask the international system. How will you write this 10 lakh as international system? Yeah, 10 lakh is nothing but 1 million. 10 lakh is nothing but 1 million. Okay, so you write, the answer is 1 million. 1 million. Okay, so 1 million. The answer is 1 million. So your 1.1 exercise is over. Next week we will see that 1.2 exercise ma. Okay, thank you children.